Alright, today's video, I ordered this and it is immediately jumping to the top of my list of things to review. And you're gonna know why. If you follow me, you've known for a long time, my favorite thing in the world as far as makeup goes will always be highlighter. When I saw these, I was waiting for them to launch onto Ulta's website, and when they did, I snatched them up so fast. This is new, it's from L'Oreal, and it's their Lumi Eclat highlighting sticks. I've always loved the Lumi Glotion. I think it's such a beautiful formula. It's hydrating, it's glowy. It's like, they did a good job. And now they came out with these guys. And there's two different finishes. There's the glass, the ones I got. And then there's like, it's called, I think it's just called Glow or something like that. And it's more of like a kind of like a frosty highlight. Not frosty, but like, it's not dewy, wet cheeks like this. This is like dewiness, glowiness. This is like right up my alley. So let's swatch. I got two shades, Glassy Pearl and Glassy Pink Ballet. So these are gonna be a little bit more translucent. This is gonna give you like that true kind of like wet skin. That's the Pearl. And this is the pink. There was like a bronzy shade too. I did not get that one because I was just trying to get two things, no, not three. The reason I got this one is because sometimes when it's pink, you see how this one, like the light bounces just a little different? You could see it there. So I was kind of curious about that. My suspicion was that these were actually going to be more translucent and sheer, like clear with like a little bit of a color, but these actually have a little bit more than I expected. All right, they feel very moisturizing too. Let's just put these on my face. I'm gonna do the pink one on this side. This is like when you touch it and you warm it up, it almost like, look, it just melts. Oh yes. I think these were $12 or something like that, or $10. I am all for this kind of a dewy, juicy, cheeky glow. I really am. That's the Ballet pink one. These better be permanent because they're really nice. This is actually reminding me a lot of that Bobbi Brown highlighter that I love that I just reviewed that comes in a compact. Look how pretty, oh my God. Love it. Okay, let's do the Pearl. These are gonna work on pretty much any skin tone. I even think these would work really nice on a deeper rich skin tone. Let me try the Pearl one first before I actually say that though. Cause it's more translucent, it's a clear base. There was a darker one, I forgot what it was called. That would be perfect obviously for somebody who's tan, rich, deep, dark skin tone. Wow. Why do I feel like this one is more, this one's like almost like more like dewy, glowy, like in your face versus this one. They're both really nice. I'm happy I got both of them. This is gonna be good for anybody that wants like that dewy glow. It's not shimmery or anything on the cheeks. It just gives you like that wet cheek dewiness. And it doesn't feel like really sticky or anything actually. It just feels like it's moisturizing. Oops. Really nice. I like it. I definitely think if you're interested in these, get them because I have a feeling they're gonna sell out. I could be wrong. Maybe there's more people out there like me that like this kind of a highlight, but definitely try it out. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll see you in my next one.